The ocean of noise. For years, we have been listening to deep space, but the only thing we have heard is a vast ocean of noise. Stellar explosions, pulsars, and the radio pollution created by our own satellites stand before us like a massive curtain masking the true voice of the universe. Human intelligence and traditional software have grown weary of searching for a needle in these trillions of gigabytes of data. However, at the beginning of 2023, a development occurred that radically changed our perspective. Peter Ma, a young genius from the University of Toronto, changed everything by releasing his own AI algorithm into this data ocean. The goal was to find those very faint whispers, potentially belonging to a technological civilization, hidden within the interference that the human eye had dismissed as trash. The Neural Hunter. Peter Ma laid the foundations of this complex algorithm while still in high school, using self-taught deep learning techniques. His Beta Convolutional Variational Autoencoder, Beta VAE, converted radio data into visual spectrograms, extracting narrowband traces in seconds that only a technological source could produce. The greatest genius of the algorithm was using the physical reality we call Doppler shift as a filter that if a signal truly came from a distant world, the rotation of that world around its own axis should shift the signal's frequency by a millimeter. When the AI sifted through 150 terabytes of data with this filter, 8 mysterious signals that no one had noticed before suddenly flashed on the screen. The scientific proof. Nature Astronomy. The paper published in the prestigious journal Nature Astronomy in January 2023 created a quiet but profound earthquake in the scientific world. The article officially announced that the AI had scanned 820 nearby stars and extracted 8 technosignature candidates from data that traditional methods had discarded as noise. The research revealed that these 8 signals could not be explained by any natural astrophysical process. Narrowband radio emissions do not occur spontaneously in nature. They could only be the product of a transmitter, or engineering. The question we ask today at Talk Tender is, had artificial intelligence found an answer to the question, are we alone, that humanity has been asking for thousands of years? The target stars. The 8 stars pointed out by the AI are considered our cosmic neighbors. The most striking is the star HIP 56352, located about 140 light-years away, known for its similarity to the Sun. Other candidates are listed as HIP 113357, 115 light-years, HIP 62207, 130 light-years, and HIP 3829, 102 light-years. The rest of the list includes the stars HIP 54610, HIP 99770, HIP 82809, and HIP 4436. Each of these stars is a true anomaly candidate from the depths of the universe that has successfully passed the AI's human-made interference tests. Currently, these coordinates have become the #1 target for giant telescopes like the James Webb. The search for habitable worlds. So, is anyone there around these stars? While no planets have been confirmed around these 8 stars yet, astronomers are now using the transit method to track millimeter-scale decreases in the light of these stars. That is, they are looking for the shadow of a mysterious planet passing in front of them. Systems such as HIP 56352 in particular have the proper structure necessary for planet formation. These radio traces found by the AI might be evidence of a massive transmitter on a planet we cannot yet see. Scientists are rescanning the data to find a trace of life in the habitable zones of these systems. The technosignature hunt. Scientists are no longer just looking for life, they are hunting for signs of engineering, or technosignatures. Peter Ma's success has propelled astronomy into the era of unsupervised learning, allowing us to instruct machines to report the abnormal. This success could be the biggest blow to humanity's loneliness in the universe. Technological traces are no longer found just by chance. They are systematically hunted thanks to artificial intelligence. These developed algorithms now know what they need to find and push the rest of the universe's noise aside. The intelligent echo. Peter Ma and his team are now preparing for a massive project to scan 1 million stars using 64 telescopes in South Africa. If someone is out there, it is only a matter of time before we find them, because the probability only goes up from here. Ultimately, Are these 8 signals a whisper of hello, or the ghost echoes of civilizations long gone? We don't have a definitive answer yet, but AI has opened the right page for us in the vast library of the universe. Remember, the universe is talking, and we finally know how to listen.